How to delete all camera roll from iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Photos application on your phone. Once you're here, tap Select in the top right corner and choose the photos you wish to delete. You can now choose more than one photo or video from here. Then, tap the trash icon at the bottom right of the screen. A pop-up will appear, and to confirm the deletion, tap on Delete Items to proceed. Now, go back the home screen and open up the Settings application. Inside the Settings menu, go to your Apple account which displays your name. Proceed by tapping on iCloud as shown. Tap on See All under Save to iCloud to view the full list. You can view all the apps that are currently synced with iCloud. From the list, tap on iCloud Photos. On this page, tap the toggle switch next to Sync this iPhone to turn it off and deactivate the service. Then this will delete all iCloud photos and videos. Following these steps, you can easily delete all camera roll on an iPhone.